Out of nowhere, that nothing contributed to the receipt of the strength to do something and create, the energy that envelopes you from nowhere, a state of inspiration arises, for it emanates, like the cosmos, eternity, from a simple event.
But the best thing about this is that no matter where you go, you can't get away from energy.
Inexplicable, incredible.
You know, there is a kind of such a sharp abundance of vital energy, which can be expressed in the form, for example, of any joyful news, or from the presence and meeting of someone, from many things that appear before your eyes, from a small victory over your difficulties. Did such a phenomenon happen to you, to what extent, and, let's say, with what in moderation, since it hardly happened everywhere and all the time, but if it happened, how did you feel in those moments?
I believe that, ultimately, we all would like repetitions of the then conditions and that they would, in my guess, be more frequent and larger.
It doesn't matter who you are, what you do, get up and chase your dreams and goals. Something that might be surprising to you if you didn't learn about this before, that is the quantity follows spectrum rule, which basically means if you take color strips, it's actually gonna be ever colored through spectrum as white are.
I have one RGB